For now, my plans is to play in the World Cup for the 15th coming this year, and just getting used to know the girls now, and trying to get our aim, and that is to win back the title for the Super W this year. Yes, this is my first year with the Drua team. It's an honor, pleasure to be in this team. It was a blessing for me. Always looking at them, 22, 23, always be proud of them. But now joining the team, it's an honor for me to represent Drua Women. For me, from transitioning from the national team from the sevens to the Drua Women, it was something that I have noticed that professionalism here in the Drua Women, everything is on time, everything we are treated equally, apart from the men, which I really appreciate it.